Instagram Threads is finally here. And should Twitter be worried? I don't know. But in this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of the app and tell you why you should start using it today.
Threads, a new app from Instagram, is here. Threads is for public conversation. We're hoping to bring some of what we've built for photos and videos on Instagram to Threads with text.
Okay, so you just got a kind of an idea of what Instagram Threads is. But let's go a little deeper into it. So what it is text, photo, video, and the text can be up to 500 characters. It's pretty much close to Twitter is what it is, but it's an Instagram version of it. And what I really like about this, and this could be pretty much a game changer for many people, you could add links in the descriptions. That is something you cannot do on the Instagram app. I mean, you could put the descriptions, you could put like links, but they're not gonna be clickable. So with this, you actually have clickable links. So that's one great advantage of Instagram Thread. Okay, next, let's talk about how you can sign up, how you can get onto this platform. Well, it's actually pretty easy. One way is you could do it is you could go to Instagram, go to the Threads app on IG, and then go to the link in their bio, and then you go to the website, and then it says download the app. You can download the app, and then from there, you will connect it with your Instagram profile. It'll ask you a few questions, get a few setup things going on, your privacy, you want to make it public, private. You know, it's pretty much the basic stuff, but actually it's really seamless. It didn't take me long at all, probably took less than a minute. So that's one way you can do it. Another way, you can actually just download it from the App Store, whatever kind of phone you have, or you can go to the website, what is it, threads.net.com, whatever it is. Go to the website, sign up for it. It's really easy. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the meat and potatoes of things. How to use this app. Super easy, I'm gonna walk you through it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is the home screen. That is the little house on the left. You're gonna tap that. And on this screen is basically, you're gonna see your, it's pretty much your news feed. The same as Instagram. It's your feed, but you're gonna see a lot of text. Yeah, that's it, that's your home. So it's gonna actually show you the accounts that you follow, or it's gonna show you some suggested accounts. And as you get more familiar with this, or actually as Instagram gets more familiar with you, with your likes and dislikes, it should, with most social medias, it's going to show you the things that you wanna see. So if I was you, I would find the things that you like to follow, like say you like to follow social media or whatever it is, you probably want to interact with those accounts. And the more you interact with those kind of accounts, that's what Instagram's gonna show you, basically. So that's the home feed. Okay, next is the search option. That's the little hourglass thing on the second from the left. From there, you could search. You could search for different accounts you wanna follow. However, I did not see a way of searching for actual topics. So if, say you wanna look for social media, let's look that up. And you're gonna search. Everyone that has like social media either in their username or in their headline is gonna come up here. So that is why it is very important to have a search-based key phrase in your username or your headline, because it's searchable. But as of now, I did not see any other ways of searching for anything else, such as hashtags or any kind of topics. So as of now, that's all there is you can search for, is other accounts. So how to create a post. You're going to hit the middle icon right there, little square with the line in it, and see, there you are. You go, it's pretty easy. You start a thread, you say, how are you doing today? Not Donna, how are you doing today? There you go, you just type it. You have up to 500 characters you can use. You could hit this little paperclip on the bottom left. From there, you could put any picture you want in there. So I'm gonna put this Badwater one. Let's see, bam, that's me at Badwater. If you didn't know, I'm a runner. It's Badwater, and you can post it. But I'm not gonna cancel that, discard. But you can also tag someone. So if you wanna tag your best life. Or let me see. See, there you go, just tag it. There you go, your best life media, that's me. You could tag, whatever. That's how you could tag somebody. Discard. You could also, you could also put a video too. So I'll just put the little video there, add, and there's a video right there. Pretty simple. Okay, next is the heart on the far right, on second from the far right. And right here is where you see all the people that your notifications as people that followed you, or any replies or mentions or things like that. And then in the far right, this is where you go to your profile. And this is where you see your profile. You can edit from there. You can share your profile. See if you want to edit right here. If you want to edit your name or your bio, that's where you do it. Change it to a private profile. Not sure why you'd want to do that, but you can. We'll cancel that. But when you download this, it's actually going to ask you, hey, do you want to use your Instagram information? And it'll automatically put it in there. You can go to your threads that you have going on so far, or you can go to replies, the things that you've already said to people. Okay, here's some other things. So on the top right, you hit those two little lines there, and this is your settings. This is where you can go to follow and invite friends, notifications. This is where you want to push your notifications, things like that. Pretty much basic to Instagram. Pretty much the same thing as Instagram. Not much different on this page. If you go back and you go to this little Instagram icon on the right there on the top right, that's where you push that and it'll go to your Instagram account. Let me push that and see. There you go. See, there's my account there. Okay, so on the top left is actually, that is where you're going to find your privacy settings. Pretty much the same as Instagram. Same stuff here. You're going to have your private profile, your mentions, your muted, stuff like that, hidden words, things that you see on Instagram. Nothing new there. So the next topic is why you should start using Instagram Threads. Well, the first thing is, it's another way of getting you discovered, not only by your customers, by your friends, by your family, or connecting with them, but to also, like I said, get discovered by a potential audience. It's just another way of you being out there. And another reason why you should be on there is it's new. It's brand new. It just came out like yesterday as of the recording of this video. So the sooner you get on it, the faster you can learn, and you could be ahead of the rest that decided to wait a month or two or a year to get onto it. You want to try to get onto it as fast as possible so you can learn as fast as possible. So the last reason why I think you should be on Instagram Threads is maybe you don't like Twitter. I'm not a big fan of Twitter. I haven't been on there very much. It's just not my thing. But it's a replacement. Maybe you're on Twitter and you don't like how it's been the past few years or the past few months now that Elon is taking it over. Who knows? But this is just another way of you communicating, and you can have a Twitter type way of doing it. So that's that. That's the reason why you should be on there. So there you go. There's Instagram Threads. If you found value out of this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and let me know if there's anything else I could help you with. Maybe there's something that I missed. And hit the subscribe button if you'd like to have more videos like this to help you in your social media journey.